There's a certain magic to a road trip. The open road stretches before you, promising adventure around every bend. Pack your bags, grab your favorite snacks, and feel the excitement build as you turn the key and start your engine. Before you hit the gas, think about your budget. From fuel to meals, costs can add up quickly. Smart budgeting ensures a stress-free and enjoyable trip. Expense tracking apps simplify road trip budgeting. Apps like Trail Wallet and Travel Spend help you log spending in real time. These tools are intuitive and incredibly valuable for any traveler. Trail Wallet is designed for simplicity and ease of use. Set a daily budget, track expenses, and handle multiple currencies. It generates insightful reports to help you adjust spending. Travel Spend is perfect for group trips. Create a shared budget, track expenses, and split costs easily. Real-time updates keep everyone on the same page. Categorize your spending like packing your car. Key categories: fuel, accommodation, food, activities, and miscellaneous. This clarity helps you adjust spending and stay on track. Use gas price tracking apps like GasBuddy. Pack light, drive smoothly, and keep tires inflated. Plan your route strategically to save on fuel. Find affordable accommodation without sacrificing quality. Consider hostels, camping, or vacation rentals. Be flexible with dates and locations for better rates. A daily budget acts as your financial compass. It helps you make conscious spending choices. Plan your budget based on trip duration, destination costs, and travel style. Daily budgets are flexible guidelines. Balance splurges with savings in other areas. Adjust spending as needed for a stress-free trip. Budget for fun and flexibility. Embrace free activities and local eateries. Collect unique souvenirs like photographs or postcards. Planning your adventure. The pre-trip budget spreadsheet. We've talked about the importance of budgeting, explored handy apps, and learned to categorize our spending. Now, let's take it a step further and talk about pre-trip planning using a simple tool. The budget spreadsheet. Imagine this spreadsheet as the architect's blueprint for your road trip finances. It helps you visualize your spending, allocate funds wisely, and stay on top of your finances before you even hit the road. Think back to the days of meticulously planning family vacations. Remember the excitement of marking destinations on a map, circling points of interest, and dreaming of all the adventures that awaited. A pre-trip budget spreadsheet evokes a similar sense of anticipation. Only this time, you're mapping out your financial journey, ensuring a smoother, stress-free ride. Creating a pre-trip budget spreadsheet doesn't require any fancy software or accounting skills. A simple spreadsheet program like Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel will do the trick. Think of it as a blank canvas where you'll paint a picture of your road trip finances, category by category. But before you start inputting numbers, take a moment to gather all the necessary information. This includes trip duration. How many days will you be on the road? Destinations. List all the cities, towns, and attractions you plan to visit. Accommodation. Note down your chosen accommodation for each night, whether it's a hotel, campsite, or a friend's couch. Activities. Make a list of must-do activities and attractions, along with their estimated costs. Mapping out your finances. A step-by-step guide. Start by creating columns for each category. Fuel. Estimate your gas expenses. Accommodation. Input the cost of each night's stay. Food. Estimate your daily food expenses. Activities. Allocate a budget for paid activities. Miscellaneous. Cover unexpected expenses and souvenirs. Your spreadsheet will automatically calculate totals. Estimating gas costs like a pro. Fuel can feel unpredictable. Gas prices fluctuate like the stock market. But fear not, intrepid traveler. Estimate fuel costs like a pro. Understand distance and fuel efficiency. Map your route and calculate the total distance. Factor in your vehicle's fuel efficiency. Divide the distance by your MPG to get estimated gallons. Multiply by average gas price. Use apps like GasBuddy. Section 1. Rewards on the road. Turning spending into savings. Imagine this. You're cruising down the highway, the open road beckoning you forward, and with every gas station fill-up, restaurant meal, or hotel stay, you're earning rewards that can be redeemed for future travel adventures. Sounds too good to be true? Well, buckle up, fellow road trippers, because the world of cashback and rewards credit cards is here to revolutionize the way you budget and save for your adventures. Gone are the days of simply swiping your card and hoping for the best. Today's travel-savvy adventurers are using cashback and rewards credit cards to their advantage, turning everyday spending into valuable points, miles, or cashback that can be redeemed for flights, hotels, rental cars, and even statement credits to offset travel expenses. Think of these cards as your secret weapon in the quest for affordable travel. With every purchase you make, you're essentially earning a little something back, like a mini treasure hunt for future adventures. But with so many cards on the market, each offering its own unique perks and rewards programs, it can be overwhelming to navigate the world of travel rewards. That's where we come in. In this section, we'll break down the basics of cashback and rewards credit cards, explore the different types of rewards programs, and share tips for maximizing your rewards to fuel your travel dreams. Get ready to turn those everyday expenses into extraordinary adventures. Finding your perfect travel companion. Choosing the right cashback or rewards credit card requires careful consideration of your spending habits and travel goals. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. Start by taking stock of your spending habits. Do you frequently dine out? Are you a gas station aficionado? Do you prefer hotels or alternative accommodations? Identify cards that offer bonus rewards in those categories. Consider your travel goals. International flights or hidden gems closer to home. Some cards offer valuable rewards for specific airlines or hotel chains. Others provide flexibility in redeeming points or miles. Factor in annual fees. Some cards offer impressive rewards but come with hefty fees. Others offer solid rewards with no annual fee. Compare different cards. Use online tools to find the card that aligns with your spending habits and travel aspirations. Do your research and get ready to reap the rewards. In the digital age, it's easy to think that paper receipts are as outdated as road maps printed from MapQuest directions. But hold on. Don't relegate those little slips of paper to oblivion just yet. They might seem insignificant at first glance, but receipts are like hidden treasures on your road trip to budget mastery. Think of receipts as your financial breadcrumbs, marking the path of your spending. They provide a tangible record of each purchase, allowing you to track your expenses with precision and identify any discrepancies that might arise. While expense tracking apps are fantastic for real-time monitoring, receipts offer an extra layer of accountability and serve as valuable evidence should you need to dispute a charge or return an item. But the benefits of saving receipts extend beyond mere record-keeping. They can be instrumental in helping you analyze your spending habits and identify areas for improvement. At the end of your road trip, take some time to sort through your receipts, categorizing them by spending category. This simple exercise can reveal eye-opening insights into your spending patterns. Do you notice a mountain of coffee shop receipts? perhaps it's time to invest in a travel mug and brew your caffeine fix on the go. Are you surprised by the number of fast food charges? Maybe packing a cooler with snacks and easy-to-assemble meals could help curb those impulse purchases on the road. Section 2. Manual tracking. Keeping your finances in check. While we've sung the praises of expense tracking apps, there's still something to be said for the power of manual tracking. Think of it as the analog counterpart to your digital budgeting toolkit, providing a hands-on approach to managing your finances. Manual tracking involves keeping a physical record of your expenses, whether in a dedicated notebook, a spreadsheet, or even on trusty index cards. This method might seem a bit old school in our tech-driven world, but it offers a level of mindfulness and engagement that can be incredibly beneficial. When you take the time to write down each expense, you're forced to confront your spending habits head-on. There's no swiping a card and forgetting about it. Manual tracking keeps you accountable for every dollar spent. But the beauty of manual tracking extends beyond mere accountability. It allows you to personalize your budgeting system to fit your unique needs and preferences. Want to track your spending by category, date, or even payment method? Go for it. Manual tracking gives you the freedom to create a system that works best for you. Moreover, manual tracking can be a valuable tool for those who prefer to limit their screen time, especially while on vacation. Instead of constantly checking your phone or laptop, you can enjoy the scenery, engage in conversations, and savor the present moment, knowing that you're still keeping your finances in check. Section 1. Embracing the unexpected, the importance of a miscellaneous fund. Remember that old saying, expect the unexpected? Well, it holds especially true on road trips. No matter how meticulously you plan your itinerary or how diligently you stick to your budget, there will inevitably be those unforeseen expenses that pop up like unexpected detours on your carefully mapped route. But fear not, fellow adventurers. We're not here to advocate for rigid budgeting that leaves no room for spontaneity or those serendipitous moments that make road trips so memorable. Instead, we're here to champion the importance of a miscellaneous fund, a financial safety net that allows you to embrace the unexpected without derailing your budget or inducing a full-blown panic attack at the sight of an unexpected expense. Think of your miscellaneous fund as a financial cushion, a buffer zone that absorbs those little financial bumps in the road. It's there to cover those unplanned meals at charming roadside diners, those last-minute souvenirs that call your name, or even those unexpected car repairs that threaten to throw a wrench in your well-oiled travel plans. But how much should you allocate to this all-important miscellaneous fund? There's no magic number, as it depends on your overall budget, risk tolerance, and the length and nature of your trip. However, a good rule of thumb is to set aside 10 to 20% of your total budget for miscellaneous expenses. Handling unforeseen costs like a pro. Stay calm, assess the situation, and make informed decisions. Don't panic. Take a deep breath. Assess the situation and evaluate your options. Use your miscellaneous fund for minor expenses. Adjust your budget for significant costs. Embrace the unexpected and adapt to thrive on the open road. Section 1. Hit the road with confidence and enjoy the ride. And there you have it, fellow adventurers, your comprehensive guide to road trip budget mastery. We've covered a lot of ground, from the power of expense tracking apps and pre-trip spreadsheets to the importance of categorizing your spending, embracing the unexpected, and even turning those everyday expenses into rewards for future adventures. Remember, budgeting isn't about restricting your fun or turning your road trip into a spreadsheet-driven snooze fest. It's about empowering yourself to make informed decisions, stay in control of your finances, and fully embrace the freedom and spontaneity that make road trips so special. With a little planning, the right tools, and a dash of adventurous spirit, you can hit the road with confidence, knowing that you have a solid financial plan in place. So, Pack your bags, grab your favorite snacks, and prepare to embark on an unforgettable journey filled with breathtaking landscapes, unexpected detours, and memories that will last a lifetime. Until next time,